Bullish Ariva cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market examiners accept ARV could reach $0 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Ariva presentation. The robotization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of, in a real sense, each part of human existence became ordinary, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general advancement of significant pieces of the market and the constant reconciliation of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into an essential component in empowering the development of the area in computerized reasoning, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for vacationers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like lodgings or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, MIST, support levels, nonpartisan extreme oscillator, and different elements. When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, as of now, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other computerized monetary forms. So what are the Ariva cost forecasts? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Ariva Co. that objectives the travel industry and friendliness area while making progress toward the worldwide reception of the computerized government capital. It has worked for the movement organizations, and worldwide the travel industry specialist co-ops imitated on clients' past encounters and input. Ariva is supporting the escalated coordination of digital currencies into the day-to-day existence of a normal person while offering the customers an unbelievable encounter and quick installment network with their cryptographic money. As indicated by the ARV network engineer, the vacationer business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes caused in view of trade rates. Ariva will dispose of these difficulties and make voyaging simple and gainful. The organization's principal point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the undeniable level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide cordiality economy, which likewise incorporates the consistent trade of neighborhood monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva current cost. ARV has moved 2.24% as of now with an exchanging volume of $977,829. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ariva to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ariva Value Forecast 2023. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ARV cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a RV will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Assuming Ariva effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the ARV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARV will be green in 2026. The ARV is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, We gauge the ARV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ARV has a most extreme value worth of $0. Ariva value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that RV figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARV needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Ariva value expectation 2029. While ARV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Ariva value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ariva will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Ariva value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In that capacity, the most extreme ARV cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And past execution isn't an assurance for future achievement, so you need to expand your portfolio to empower you to have a higher likelihood of coming out on top on all your crypto possessions. What is the Ariva cost today? Is Ariva a wise speculation? Ariva ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that RV is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Ariva at any point go? The typical cost of Ariva might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Ariva might outperform $0. What amount will Ariva be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital currency and Ariva, a drawn-out interest in ARV could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Ariva be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Ariva today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of a RV might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Ariva cost be in 2024? Ariva cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Ariva cost be in 2025? Ariva cost is supposed to reach $0 2025.